This is Robert Kraft, and I'm coming to you live on SNN.Live, and we're at the Precious Metals Summit 2019 in Beaver Creek, Colorado. With me right now is Stephen Koehler from Gold Standard Ventures. It's a publicly traded company. The symbol is GSV on both the NYSE and the TSX. Stephen, welcome to SNN.Live.
Thank you. Appreciate you having me here today.
It's great to have you on. So for our audience, let's start off with an overview of the company, and then we'll go from there.
Okay, real quick, we're a gold exploration company. We're anchored on the world-famous Carlin Trend in northeastern Nevada.
So let's get a history of the company. When did it start, and how did you develop to where you're currently at today?
Sure. So the company started in 2010, and we anchored ourselves just south of former Newmont's Rain District. And since then, over the last 7-8 years, we've continued to consolidate land on the Carlin Trend. That consolidation has led to the second largest contiguous land block on the Carlin Trend behind the current JV between Barrick and Newmont.
So, Stephen, what I also really want to know is what makes the company unique when compared to some of your competition out there?
Great question. So some of the uniqueness is that our senior technical staff, which is based in Elko, Nevada, we used to work for Newmont, Barrick, Placer Dome, got our feet wet, created a lot of success with those companies, and now we've joined forces with GSV. And our hands-on experience in the Carlin and Cortez trends of Nevada really give us a leg up in terms of understanding how to build exploration success and also how to develop these systems into profitable mines.
And what's your background? I mean, how'd you come into all this?
Wow, good question. I'm a 30-year veteran. Spent half my career with some of the majors, Newmont and Placer Dome. The last 15 years I've been on the junior side, but we've been very fortunate to work with some great teams and great individuals. And either as a team leader or a senior project manager, I've been involved in a number of discoveries in Nevada: Leeville, Turf, Four Corners, Pete Bajo, Cortez Hills. It's been a fun ride over 30 years.
And Stephen, I know you got a team around you also at Gold Standard. Tell me a little bit about their experience working in this junior mining industry.
Sure. So our CEO is John Odd. John's based up in Vancouver. John's been on the capital markets side of the business for many years, and one of his real strengths is continuing to keep us plugged into money so that we can do real work. And if you think about that fact, over the last 5 or 6 years, the capital markets for our industry have been tough, but John's kept us in the money, and we've been able to do real work. We've done those land consolidations. We've continued with real exploration, which has now led into the PFS.
And then from what you can tell me, what are some of the company's value catalysts now for the rest of 2019 going into 2020?
Another great question. So value catalysts, just recently, a couple days ago, we came out with our first PFS. That PFS covers the Dark Star and Pinion deposits. Economic numbers are very positive. All-in sustaining costs and cash costs are in the lowest quartile worldwide. There's lots of upside there to continue to take inferred ounces and build those into the mine plan into M&I. And then we've got tremendous exploration opportunities around Pinion and Dark Star, mainly to the south in areas that we've previously drilled, and then some new exploration targets.
And where can our audience go and find more information about Gold Standard?
www.goldstandardv.com.
My name is Robert Kraft, and I'm coming to you live on SNN.Live, and we are at the Precious Metals Summit 2019 in Beaver Creek, Colorado. With me right now is Stephen Koehler from Gold Standard Ventures, publicly traded company. The symbol is GSV on both the NYSE and the TSX. Stephen, thank you for joining me today.
Thanks very much for having me. Appreciate it.